What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of integrating ClickUp with Notion. This integration allows you to streamline your project management and note-taking activities, enhancing productivity and organization. Follow the steps to set up integration effectively. First, create a new account if you don't have one. Visit the Notion website, type notion.so. While we are on the website, click on the Get Notion Free button, enter your email address and click Continue. The website will send your verification code through your email or Gmail, or you can create an account using Google account. After creating an account, set up your ClickUp account to start. As you can see, mine is already open. Now that you created a Notion account, click your profile at the top left of the website screen. While you are in the profile, click Settings. While we are in the Settings tab, click the My Connections tab. While we are in the Main Connections tab, find ClickUp. If you can find ClickUp, click See All. Scroll down until you find ClickUp. After you find ClickUp, click Connect. As you can see, a new tab appears, and here my ClickUp is already logged in. If your account is logged out, log into your account and click Connect Workspace. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.